Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome back to Rice Fix. And in this video I will show you the wiring of putting dual horns on your car. So if you want to put dual horns on your car, then you better watch this video carefully. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So on my car I have put dual horns, you guys can see that already. Before there was only a single horn here. It got spoiled, so I took that out. And I have put dual horns now. Now in this video I will show you the wiring if you want to put dual horns like this. So this is your horn relay. You can see the rating of this relay. You can keep a note of the ratings because this relay switch has been changed when I put the dual horn. And in this video I am using a Hyundai i10 car. Now on this Hyundai i10 car, these dual horns are put. Now from this relay there comes a wire, as you guys can see, and it connects to the horn right here. Let's call this point A on horn 1. So from point A, I will just take this wire out. So you'll have to watch very carefully here guys. Now from here this wire comes and connects to the other horn right here. Let's call this point A on horn 2. Then from point B of horn 2 comes a wire right here and it connects to the point B of horn 1. So again I will explain to you. From the relay comes one wire and it connects to horn 1 point A. Then from point A, the same wire goes and connects on horn 2 point A. Then one wire from horn 2 point B goes and connects to horn 1 point B. It is like a wire circle guys. Then from point B horn 1, one wire goes for the earthing. As you guys can see, it is connected on top right there. You can connect this wire anywhere where you will get a good grounding. But on this car, we have connected this wire right here. Now on all these wires, you will have to use a pressing clip sockets, which I have used here. Now there will be a spot where you can place one horn. But the other horn, there are plenty of bolts on the chassis. You'll have to take one bolt out and you'll have to put the horn stand there and put that bolt back. So by using this wiring, you can put dual horn on any of the cars. But see that you put the right rating relay switch. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.